and the carpet was on its last leg. We were gonna change it. But then when I called Glo, they exceeded my expectations because I didn't expect much because the carpet was really beyond cleaning. But Glo company just did a great job because it looked brand new.
Rescue. I was doing some staining in my house and I had some stuff around it, and it just happened to slide off of the table that I was staining, and it went everywhere. I mean, it just happened to hit just perfect, and it sprayed everywhere, all over my carpets, looking like it was brand new. It was like nothing had ever happened, and it wasn't like just a little stain. It was wood stain, and so I was worried, and then I'd have to replace the carpets, and that'd be like $500 or $600 or even more. Who knows how much that would be? And it ended up basically saving my carpet. It was fantastic.
So the first time Glo came out, I saw his truck-mounted system. I knew that it was powerful. I noticed he wore foot protection when he came into my home, which I actually remarked to him he didn't need to because my home's dirty. It needed carpet cleaning. He still said, nope, I wear them. I noticed he put the guards around the corners so that the walls wouldn't get torn up. And then I just instantly noticed he was very detail-oriented. And he hit the spots that I mentioned to him that were a problem, found new spots, and just took the time to be very detail-oriented. So even before it was done, I could tell we were going to have a good job. I love Glo. I wouldn't have a reason not to go with Glo. I can't find a reason not to go with Glo.